Hey guys, my name is Mike Munzing with Munzing Mortgage Group. Don't forget, as we're heading into the weekend, when you go into your open houses, go over to my website first over at www.mikemunzing.com and print up the rate sheet so you know what's going on. Bring it with you. But hey, this has been a real kind of a fun week. Tuesday, over in Aliso, Viejo, where I'm blessed to be the mayor. As you can see in the pictures here, I had about 83, 85 realtors over to talk about what's going on in the community, some of the items with open houses and how we can do a better job. What that brought to mind is that in Aliso Viejo, we have put together a really cool marketing video. The video lasts about 3 minutes and covers so many good things that are going on in Aliso Viejo. Now, that's not the point. The point is that many communities in Orange County, in South Orange County, have put together these types of videos. So you as the realtor community, you need to go look for these videos. Use them on your website. They're on YouTube usually. You can embed them if you have a client. Certainly ours, if you've got a client looking to move to Aliso Viejo, it works great. Send them that, embed them onto your listings. It's a fantastic way to use what the city provides. It's free, and you can use that for your marketing. Hey, this week I am going to bring in a quick video from Brian and Frank, and they have done a great job talking about the millennials and what's going on with the first-time homebuyers, and it'll just give you great information on that, whether to recreate it, want to bring it to you.
So yesterday we talked about this report Ellie Mae came out with on millennials, and we thought it was kind of silly. But we want to add to that whole thing, not from Ellie Mae. Now, did you know that home ownership among those between the ages of 25 and 34 is 10% lower than it was a decade ago?
And today, first-time home buyers represent 30% of the market, whereas they were traditionally at 40%.
And, well, this one's not really good. That of new household formations, 2/3 of them are renters. Now, we talk about the problems with consumer protection, meaning we've got fewer young people entering the housing market, but the ones that are, well, they're protected.
Now, people a lot smarter than us say boomers are not moving to the burbs, thus creating the necessary inventory for said millennials.
And that these millennials, the young adults, are straddled with high costs and student debt, which is probably also true.
And, you know, more reason for this, let's face it, a decade ago you didn't need any income to buy a house. But could it also be true that millennials are looking at the same headlines we are, that banks are bad? I mean, they must be considering the number of lawsuits out there.
Or that zero margins for heirs on loans has positioned lenders to find reasons to deny your loan rather than approve it. And that home ownership is not a good investment. After all, just look at what happened with mom and dad a decade ago, right? All of these headlines would make me personally hesitate to buy a house if I was a younger person.
Should not the conversation be about rates, the ability to leverage someone else's money at historically low costs? Yet, just doesn't seem to be the case.
And to clarify that, this is in the media, how it's being covered. So here's a thought to those in charge. Your actions act as a negative PR campaign for the industry, as evident by the number of people not buying homes right now. If you truly want to help the housing industry and help more people become homeowners, change the message through your actions, and you'll see a rebound, my friends, in housing.
Those guys are fun. They put together good information. I thought that would be an interesting clip for you. Hey, once again, as we're heading into the weekend, call me if you have a new buyer. You can reach me at 949-689-5626. Also, we're a month out from the coming primary election. I don't normally jump on this, but I will be on all of these 73rd Assembly District ballots, which is basically it's the cities from Aliso Viejo across the Laguna Hills, Mission Viejo, Rancho Santa Margarita, Laguna Niguel on the other side, all the way down to San Clemente for the Republican Party, at least, Central Committee. Love to get your support for that. If you know anybody who lives in those areas, say, hey, we've got a friend, Mike Munzing. He's a good guy, been a lender out there 30 years. You should give the guy a vote. So any support is always appreciated, of course. Hey, have a great weekend. Call me. I am a lender, 30 years in the business. This is what I do. I get your buyers approved, 30 years in the lending business, so you don't waste time. You get them going. You get that offering, get it accepted, and we get a deal in escrow. Well, God bless you. God bless your family. God bless this beautiful country. Let's work together. Have a great weekend. Bye-bye.
Money, 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 money.